Problem 11. Sketch the graph and state the domain and range of the following functions. So we want to sketch the first graph. It is an absolute value graph. You need to know that that graph looks like that. Don't confuse it with the bird graph. I know they're similar, but they're totally different. One's curvy, one has straight lines. So let's start sketching things. Let's start with this plus 1. X plus 1 means my graph is moving left 1, so this point has now moved left 1. Minus 2 at the end means this point is now down 2. So let's go 1, 2, plot our first point. Last thing we need to show is this stretch factor of -3. That means instead of going up with a slope of 1, I'm going down with a slope of 3. So if I go to the left 1, my next point should be down 1, 2, 3. Right there. And similarly, if I went right 1, that point should also be down 3, so I'm going to get that. And an absolute value graph is kind of like a modified linear graph, so those lines should be straight. Domain and range. Let's do the domain. Well, you can put any x value into an absolute value. There's no reason you can't. So that was poorly drawn. Let's say x is an element of all real numbers. If you like set builder notation, sorry, lies. If you like interval notation, x is an element of the interval going from -infinity up to +infinity. Range of the function. Well, look at my graph. Where's it going? It's going down forever, and it's starting at -2 and going down forever. So y is in the set of all real numbers such that all our y values are less than or equal to -2. And we'll put our curly braces around them. Interval notation, y is an element of the interval going from -infinity up to -2, including it. So use a bracket.